Here on the interactive flat panel, you are observing what? This is four and a half a flower. This is called gynoecium. This is gynoecium. Actually, here you see structure of gynoecium. That is female part. That is called female part. And gynoecium consists of mainly three parts. Gynoecium consists of mainly three parts. So they are. This is called what? This is called ovary, and this part is called ovary. Listen carefully. All of you look on the interactive flat panel. This is called ovary, and this is called what? Style. And this is the stigma. How many parts are there? Three parts are there. What are they? This is called ovary, and this is called style, and this is the stigma. Again, once again you say, what are the main parts of gynoecium? Ovary, style, stigma are the parts of gynoecium. Gynoecium is the female part. Gynoecium is also called as pistil. It is also called as carpel. It consists of three parts. They are ovary, style, and stigma. And you need to observe clearly. So here you see, and this is the ovary. In the ovary, there you see a small structure that is called funicle. And ovary consists of what? Ovule. And it is one ovule. It is one ovule. So here, based on the plant species and ovule, the number of ovules may range from 1 to 100. For example, watermelon. Inside the watermelon, you see many seeds, and each seed is nothing but ovule. After fertilization, ovules are developed into seeds. But here, there is only one ovule. For example, here given what? Only one ovule. This is ovule. This is ovule. And ovule consists of what? This structure. This is called what? Embryo sac. In the ovule, what is present? Embryo sac is present. And this consists of what? Gametophyte cell. Gametophyte cell. And these gametophyte cells undergo first 3 mitotic cell division. And finally, a structure is formed. And that is called what? That is called, this is the structure, and this is called embryo sac. Embryo sac. And ovule is the oval shape, embryo sac. And this embryo sac is filled with, here you see, it filled with what? Water and also nutrients. The embryo sac consists of what? Food and water. Food and water. So this is the embryo sac. Embryo sac consists of what? Food and water. And this embryo sac consists of, and this embryo sac, small structure, embryo sac consists of 7 cells with 8 nuclei. So here, this is the embryo sac. It consists of how many cells? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cells. It consists of how many cells?
8.
No, actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this entire is called as one cell. And this cell is called what? Polar nuclei. Polar nuclei. And it consists of 2 nuclei. So how many cells are there? 7 cells are there. So this is one cell, and the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So here you see, then you see, it consists of how many cells? A sentence is there. 7 cells and 8 nuclei. Here, the majority of the flowering plant have an embryo sac. This is the embryo sac, and it consists of what? 7 cells. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 nuclei. How many nuclei are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here, embryo sac consists of how many nuclei? So this is the embryo sac. Embryo sac consists of 1, 2, 3. So 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is nucleus, this is nucleus, this is nucleus. Here 2 nucleus are present. Nucleus, nucleus, nucleus. Cells are 7. Nucleus 8. So 7 cells with 8 nuclei. 7 cells are present, 8 nuclei present. Okay. And this cells different types. So here the cells which are present at the micropolar end are called as, these two are called synergies or helper cell, and the center one is called egg cell. Center cell is called egg cell, and these two are synergies. And the center you see the parents of a cell, and that is called polar nuclei or second nuclei. And the cells which are present on the top region are called as antipodal. So these are called antipodal. And this is the secondary nucleus. And this is what? Synergies. And the center one is egg cell. So like that, how many cells are present? 7 cells are present, 8 nucleus present. 7 cells with 8 nucleus. And that is brief description about what? Embryo sac. Thank you.